Hi everyone, this is Arun Reddy here. Welcome to my YouTube channel Arun Reddy Tech for You. In this video, we are going to learn topic called arrays. So friends, if you're new to my video and if you want to learn C++, you can go through my channel playlist. In channel playlist, you will find a folder called folder name called C++, and where you can find the remaining videos available. Okay, and if you want the same videos in Telugu, you can also find playlist name called C++ in Telugu, where remaining videos are available in Telugu, right? So you can also find other subjects like DBMS, Power BI, C, Python, Excel VBA, MS Word, PowerPoint, so on, right? So you can also learn all these videos, and you need just go to the playlist, and there you can find the remaining videos. So let us move to our topic. Okay, so arrays. Okay, so today we are going to see how to declare an array, how to initialize an array, and what are the types of arrays. Okay, so three things we are going to learn. Okay, so let us start first with array. Okay, so what is an array? Array is defined as a collection of similar data type. That means same data types it should have. For example, if we write integer, it should have all integer data type. Float, all float data type. Character, all the data types should be character. Okay, so that's why we will call it as similar data type. Array stores a contiguous memory location. That means sequence. Okay, right. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay, so array index starts from 0 and ends with the size minus 1. For example, if I give size 5, so it will end at 4. It starts with 0 and ends with 4, right? Okay, so let me show you how to declare an array. Okay, so declaring an array, syntax example. Suppose if I declare int marks 5, how it will be? Let me show you a diagrammatic presentation. Okay, you can see here marks 0. This is the first one, is a mark 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. As I said, size minus 5. I've given size 5, right? So it will end at size minus 5, nothing but a 4, right? And it start with 0, right? So this is how it will start. Marks 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what I said, continuous memory location, and other thing, similar data type. That means all the mark 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 will only take in integer data. Okay, so that's why they are similar data type. Okay, once you mentioned int marks 5, all the 0 to 4 will be integer, right? Right. So what is the starting? Starting is 0 and ending with the 4, right? Now let us see how to initialize the array. Okay, so you can initialize different ways. The one of the ways, see, int marks 5. Okay, so directly you can write 80, 60, 70, 85, 75. So how it will be inserted means you can see here. Suppose if I say 80, 60, 70, 85, 75 in the marks 5, okay, then automatically it will include mark 0 is equal to 80, marks 1 is equal to 60, marks 2 is equal to 70, marks 3 is equal to 85, and marks 4 is equal to 74, right? For example, you can also write another way, that this is another way. Okay, individually also you can take mark 0 is equal to 8, marks 1 is equal to 60, marks 2 is equal to 70, marks 3 is equal to 85, marks 4 is equal to 75. You can also take like this, right? Okay, this is how different way of initialization of data. Okay, or you can also use scanf, sorry, not scanf, cin. Okay, so in the C language you can use scanf. In the C++ you can use cin also. With the help of cin also, and with the help of loop, you can also insert the data, right? Now let us see a small program. Okay, so I've taken same, just now we have seen example, right? Mark 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And now I can also print same way, cout marks 0, cout marks 1. But why should I write 5 times? Instead of that, I have used a loop. So I started I is equal to 0, and I kept a condition I less than 5. That means it should top at 4, right? So when I when I run this program, okay, you can see the program and output. So first I have taken, see, I have inserted all the values. Okay, so when I insert the values, see, now it is checking the loop. What is the loop? I is equal to 0, I less than 5. Yes, condition satisfied. So what it will print now? What is I? 0, right? So marks 0. What it is printing? Mark 0. What is mark 0? 80. So it is printing 0, right? Again, next it will increase to, now 0 will increase to 1, right? Okay, now again it will print as marks 1. What is marks 1? 60. Next again it will increase to 2. Okay, again I will increase to 2, and it will print marks 2. Marks 2? What is marks 2? 70. Again it will print same. It will repeat 5 times. Okay, after the it has reached to 4. Now what happens again, it I value will increase to 1, that means 5. Now 5 is not less than 5, right? Okay, so condition fails and it will come out of the program, right? So this is how it will execute the array. Okay, so array is a collection of similar elements and it stores continuous location and it starts with 0 and ends with the size minus 1, right? Okay, so you can see that there are two programs. Either you can write like this or like this. Both the answer are same. Both the outputs are same, right? So for loop with the same. Okay, so only thing is initialization. Individually you can initialize or at a time. Okay, right. Now let us see types of arrays. Okay, so there are two types of array: single dimensional array, two dimensional array. So just now we have seen a program which is single dimensional array. Okay, so one dimensional array, or we can also say a single dimensional array, where you can see it, array size, only one array size will be there: data type, array name, array size. But when comes to, see this is an example, when comes to the two dimensional array, see, you know that, right? Initialization. Let us move to the two dimensional. Two dimensional, what happens? Two dimensional array can be defined as a array of arrays. And remember, not only two dimensional, there are other dimensional like a multi-dimension, but I have taken only two examples. Okay, one dimensional and two dimensional. Okay, right. So 2D array is organized. We can also call it as 2D array. Okay, two dimensional organized matrix which can be represented as collection of rows and columns. Now see, when we take two dimensional array, it will become a matrix or a table where we have a rows and columns. Okay, let me show you how this will work. Okay, so you can see here data type, array name, rows, columns. See, you can see there are two two size, array size. Okay, so or you can say subtype. Okay, so right, so ARR. Now we have not given only one size but two size. Now what happens, first one or second one means first one is a row size and second one is a column size, right? So let me show you how this actually execute. Actually when I write 3 3, that means it start with 0 and ends with 2, right? Here also 0 to 1. So how it will execute, this is how actually it will execute: 0 0 0 1 0 2 1 0 1 1 1 2 2 0 2 1 2 2, right? But to represent that in the matrix, we use again a small technique. Okay, right. So how to initialize the two dimensional array? See, like this also we can insert. Okay, so that means this is a 0 1 2, again this is a 0, this is a 1, this is a 2. Okay, 0 1 2, in that again 0 1 2 0 1 2 0 1 2. So let me show you how this will work. Okay, so you can also take individually. So you can write like this, or 0 0 is equal to 1, 0 1 is equal to 1, 2, 0 2 is equal to 3, 1 0 is equal to 4, 1 1 is equal to 5, 1 2 is equal to 6, 2 0 is equal to 7, 2 1 is equal to 8, 2 2 is equal to 9. So how it will store like this? Okay, either you can take like this or like this, it will store like this. But actually what we see when we execute the output, it looks like this. See, 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 2 0 1 2 0 2 3 0 2 3. Okay, 1 0 1 1 0 4 1 1 5 1 1 5 1 2 6 1 2 6 2 0 7 2 1 8 2 2 9. So actually it will store like this, but we represent like this. So how we are representing, let us see. Okay, so step by step we will see. First, so I have taken a program. Okay, already I have initialized the values. Okay, so already the values are there. So you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, now when we are taking single array, we have taken only one loop. Now we have taken nested loop. That means loop within the loop. So how this will work means just clockwise and clockwise. Okay, how a clock will run after a seconds complete 60 rounds, clock minutes will increase, right? Same way here, every j will go to 0 to 2. So after completing one round, what happens? I value will increase. That means see, first 0, I value will be 0 0 0 0 1 0 2. After it completes 2, j will become 0. Just like seconds, after 59, it will go back to 0, right? So seconds again it will become 0. Now the minutes has increased, right? Okay, again 1 1 1. Again after 2, again it will become 0. Now this will increase to. Let me explain how this will work actually. Okay, right. So we have taken this loop. So now first it is checking the I value. I is equal to 0. I less than 3. Yes. J value, j is equal to 0, j less than 3. Yes. So now it will print Now what is 0 0? Now I value is 0, j value is 0. That means a array of ij means array of 0 0. What is 0 0? It is printing 1. See, next what happens, it will go to the for loop. See, we are rotating inside the for loop, right? Okay, another for loop, inner for loop is repeating, right? Now what happens, see, when it go to here, j value will increase. See, I value is not increasing, j value will increase, so j value will become 1. Now 0 1, what is 0 1? 2, so it will print 2. Next again j value will increase to 2. Now what is 0 0 2? 3, so it will print 3. Next again j value will increase to 3. Now when it is increased to 3, condition fails. So what happens, condition fail, it will go back to the main loop. Now again main loop, what it will do, it will increase. It was 0, right? Now it will increase to 1. 1 less than 3, yes, condition satisfied. It will again push back to the inside loop. Now again j is 0. Now I is 1, j is 0. Again next round starts. So how it will work? 1 0, again I value j value will increase, so 1 1, again j value will increase, 1 2, again j value will increase, j value will increase, it will print till 6. That means I2. After I2 what happens? Now again it will increase to 3, the condition fail, again it will push back to the main for loop. Now again I value will increase. So I value was 1 round, right? Now it will become 2 because I plus plus. Now again it will push back and it j start from 0 again. So j is 0 again. So what it will print? 2 0. Now 2 1, 2 2. After that 2 2, again here condition fails because j value has 3, and here it will also increase to 3. Now here also main condition also fails. It will come back. It will come out of the program. See, this is how it will print. Okay, but actually we don't want like this, we want in the matrix form. So what we can do, so to make the column data or a vertical data into the form of table, what we can do, we have to use technique, small technique. What is that? Endel in between the loop. That means every time j complete a rotation, it should go to the next line. And tab, instead of next line printing, after printing the each loop, we have kept it endel, right? So instead of endel here, I have changed to here, and here I have kept as tab. Now let us see how this will work, right? Okay, so see again, so for loop I value j value. So when it will print 0 0, see, tab, that means it will give a gap, right? See again, now j value will increase to 1. So now what 0 1 is 2, right? So now again see 3. So tab, what it is doing, in we had a endel last time. So what endel has done, it has gone next line. Now tab, what it is, it is giving gap. So after completing this round, again it will go back to the I value. I value will increase to 1 now. Okay, so now see, after completing it will push back. When it is pushing back, endel comes. So what happens, after 3 it is coming back to the next line. Now again j value will become 0. Now again 1 0, 1 1, 1 2 till 1 2. Okay, again 3 j value condition will fail. Again it will go back to the I value will increase to 2. Now when it is pushing down, see, when it is pushing down, the cursor again move to the next line, right? Now again it will print 7 8 9, and the condition fails now j, and it will push back to the I also fails. Now both the loops has been failed, so it will come out. See now how it has printed. Nice, right? So this is how two-dimensional works, and this is how we can print the two-dimensional. So friends, I hope you have understood the video, and please do like my video, and if you like my video, do subscribe my channel and share with others. Thank you.